Are you tired of clocking in to a job you hate every day and you're ready to start allowing your money to work for you? In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to make passive income while you sleep. So before we discuss how to make passive income while you sleep, let's go over what passive income is for those of you who may not be familiar with it. Passive income is income that requires little effort to maintain. With passive income, you're not exchanging your time for money like you might do at a 9-to-5 job. Instead, you're creating or buying an asset that you can sell in order for you to generate revenue. Regardless of where you are, simply describe passive income means your money is put to work for you to produce more money that you didn't have to work hard to obtain. When it comes to how to make passive income while you sleep, we're going to go over a few ways you can start this now, even if you're not a business owner. The first way you can make passive income while you sleep is by starting a consulting business. When you start a consulting business, this means you're going to help others acquire the information that they need in order for them to reach a certain goal that they may have. An example to make passive income as a business consultant is by you creating a course on something you have experience in or something you're very good at and sell it online to others who don't have the experience that you have in this particular area. The second way you can make passive income while you sleep is by getting into drop shipping. When you start a business in drop shipping, you want to find products that you can sell online to a specific audience, but you want to make sure your products can be shipped directly from your vendor to your customers. A good example of how to make passive income while you sleep with drop shipping is by finding popular products from AliExpress or from Alibaba and hosting it on a platform like Shopify. This way you can directly connect your supplier account, which is going to be your vendor, to your Shopify store. In doing so, you're going to create passive income while you sleep each time an order comes in, because you no longer have to ship the products yourself or keep inventory. Your only job will be to test the products before selling them and to make sure it's good quality, and then begin marketing your products online to receive orders. The last way to make passive income while you sleep will be to start investing in the stock market. As you begin to make enough money, regardless of if that's from your job or from your business, you want to find ways to begin investing into other things like the stock market to make your money begin to work for you. Investing into the stock market will allow you to do stock trading, and depending on your investment strategy, you can double your money or even triple the money that you invested into the market. As you begin to grow in your business, a long-term investment strategy will be to get into real estate investing and begin using your earned income to invest into passive income. Or you can begin using your business credit now to fix and flip properties, or even start your short-term rental properties, which are known as Airbnbs, that will generate your passive income once you set your business onto autopilot. No matter which one of these strategies you choose to begin with, always remember your current situation is temporary and you don't have to do 2 or even 3 things at a time to make your money work for you. Everyone's situation is different, so start with what you have, and if you don't have enough money coming in from your earned income, be sure to watch my playlist on building your business credit so that you can get the funds you need now by using other people's money. That playlist will play right after this video. I hope that these 3 ways were helpful for you, and let me know down in the comments, how are you planning to make passive income while you sleep? I am Tiara Pace, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.